Hey, just another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to fit a spade bit into your Ryobi drill. So first, take your bit and enter it into the chuck, and then you want to tighten the chuck up. Make sure that it is all flush. So if we can see that, I'll try and keep out of the way. So twist it a bit there. So you want to make sure the chuck grabs onto the end here, this shape. There you go. So once you've got it tight, give it one final twist. And you want to make sure when you press the trigger that the drill runs true and there's no wobble. Actually in the chuck it should wobble slightly like that. This is just the chuck itself moving. However, you don't want to feel any wobble, and always make sure you give it one final twist and then make sure it runs true. So hopefully that helps you out how to fit a spade bit into a Ryobi drill. If you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.